Not only can you use single words with any of the Talon command operators, you can also use phrases. However, that means we need a method of telling Talon what part of the command phrase you want to group together and be operated on. We do this with parentheses. So allow me to demonstrate a command with parentheses. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Inside paren, say command group 1. Right paren, space. Pipe, space. Inside parens, say command group 2. Go right, space, colon, space. Inside quotes, sentence parentheses allow you to group phrases. Period. Go right. Enter. Enter. Talon sleep. This is a command with grouped phrases, grouped words specifically. What it does is I can either say command group 1 or I can say command group 2, and it will print out parentheses allow you to group phrases. So let me save this command and then test it. Talon wake. Control sun. Talon sleep. The command is now saved. Onward to the testing. Talon wake. Command group 1. Space. Command group 2. Talon sleep. And both of those worked. Time to clean up. Talon wake. Clear line. Clear line. Talon sleep.